so sorry I didn't respond sooner. My phone's cellular service went out and I had to take the phone apart piece by piece.
Do you want to try some of this?
I would love to, but I'm allergic to almonds.
Didn't you just have almonds at lunch?
It's a new allergy.
Do you want to hang out?
I can't. My mom is having an emergency colonoscopy right now.
You know I have your Find My, right?
My mom is had an emergency colonoscopy 1 hour ago.
This shirt is so cute. Where'd you get it?
I performed in the Olympics.
Really? When?
2016.
There were no Olympics in 2016.
It wasn't televised.
Let's just hang out Sunday.
I have a root canal that day.
Aren't dentists closed on Sunday?
Yeah, but it's like a 24-hour dentistry. Sorry, I'm just now responding. I was on an international flight that got deplaned and reboarded and was stuck over the Atlantic
Okay,
Ocean.
girl, we get it.
And also crashed. I'm fine though, but my phone was broken. That's why I didn't respond. Oh, this is so cool. I have no idea how to play.